Hey guys, today we're going to continue talking about the brain. We're going to go a little bit more in depth about it than we did yesterday. Here is our focus, the standard we're still talking about this week. It says distinguish human body parts, brain, heart, lungs, stomach, muscles, and skeleton, and their functions. So this is our brain. This is what we talked about yesterday and what we're focusing on more today. Our brain is located in our head and it has lots of functions. So we're going to dive into that now. If you've ever wondered how your brain and nervous system work, this movie has the answers. So let's check it out.
Kids Health presents How the Body Works with Chloe and the Nurse. Whoa, that was a big one.
I'll say. Hey, where did the brain go?
That nose tornado scattered the brain all across Bodylandia.
Hello, children. I am the cerebrum.
Oh, hi, friend. Do you know where we could find the brain?
You're going on a marvelous adventure to find 4 important parts of the brain.
Wow.
I am the biggest part of the brain, the thinking part of the brain, and the part that controls your voluntary muscles. Without me, you wouldn't be able to dance or talk to your friends.
No, dancing. Oh, dear.
I am the cerebrum. I store your memories and make it possible for you to have feelings and emotions. I'm located right here. By weight, I'm more than 85% of your brain. I'm split into 2 halves. The right half of the cerebrum controls the left side of your body, and the left controls the right side. You need different parts of the cerebrum to do different things. Everything from doing a math problem to playing the piano.
Ooh, that's amazing.
I am kind of amazing. Now, on with the adventure. Just follow the brainy brick road.
Follow the brainy brick
Follow
road.
the brainy brick road.
We will already. You don't have to be all pushy about it.
Ooh, I'm the brainstem. I connect the brain to the spinal cord. Could you stop yelling?
Sorry,
we scare easily.
I'm located at the base of the brain, where I connect the brain to the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves that is protected by the spine. The spinal cord is the main pathway for information to flow from the brain to the rest of the body.
Wow. Nice to meet you, brainstem.
I'm in charge of all the functions your body needs to stay alive, like breathing air, circulating blood, and digesting food.
And that you do.
Hey, Nerb and Chloe.
Hi, Bridge.
Well, I guess you could say I'm sort of like a bridge. I'm part of the brain called the corpus callosum. I'm a thick band of nerve fibers that connect the 2 halves of the brain.
That's impressive.
Oh, hi, friend.
Nice to meet you, friends. I'm the cerebellum. I control your balance, movement, and coordination. I'm located at the back of the brain, right over here. It's my job to keep you balanced.
Oh, that's amazing. Well, let's see. Cerebrum, corpus callosum, brainstem, cerebellum. I think we've done it, Chloe.
That's right. Your adventure is complete. Now, just click your heels and you can go home.
Click my heels? That's not very scientific.
Picking up where we left off yesterday. Yesterday we were talking about the brain. Today we are going to focus on the brain a little bit more and the stomach. So this is what our stomach looks like. This is where it is in our body. This is the stomach. You can see the stomach acid bubbling. That's what breaks down your food when you eat. The food you eat gives your body the energy it needs. The stomach helps to change the food by breaking it down through stomach acid, like I just said. So we eat, then it moves into our stomach. Okay, I am adding to my interactive journal. Yesterday, we wrote your body parts work together and our brain. Our brain controls our body and sends messages to your body parts. That's its main function. All right, today we talked about the stomach. Weird word. Stomach ends with a CH but sounds like a K. Our stomach helps to change food by breaking it down. Remember, I'm writing this on a piece of paper with a pencil or pen. You should be doing it too if you can. So our stomach's main function is it helps to change food by breaking it down. All right, time to explore in the human body. Let's take a look at our picture. You can draw this out or you can just look at mine. It says, can you tell me where the brain, stomach, eyes, and ears are? Draw them into the picture. So we are going to do that next. Okay, under the stomach, we're going to explore the human body. So I printed out this slide. You can draw it or leave it out, that's fine. Time to explore the human body. Can you tell me where the brain, stomach, eyes, and ears are? Draw them into this picture. Let's start with the brain. We know the brain is in our head, so it should be up here somewhere. Not very good at drawing, so don't judge me too much. Okay, those are the little folds that are in it. There's my brain. The stomach. Where is the stomach? Let's come back to that one. I know the eyes are up here, of course. My eyes are in my head, so I can see. And my ears are here. Here are my ears. I'm going to label it so I remember brain, eyes, ears, and my stomach is kind of down here-ish. Kind of looks like a bean. Like a weird bean. There we go. There's my stomach. We label that one as well. Stomach. We did it. Draw them into the picture. All right, good job.
It Health presents How the Body Works with Chloe and the Nerve.
I see your gallstones and raise you 4 tonsils.
Carl, what you got?
Read 'em and weep. A pair of kidneys.
Well, filter my trash. Too bad for you, I have a straight set of teeth.
Arr, stupid good-for-nothing cards. I curse the day I bought you. Double or nothing?
Nerb, did you eat chili again?
That's not me, Chloe.
Help somehow!
Nerb, let's get out of here!
I can't. I'm paralyzed with fear. Chloe, wake up.
What? Where are we?
We're in the mouth, the gateway to the digestive system.
The digestive system?
Yep, it takes the food you eat, breaks it down, and turns it into energy you can use. It's trying to break us down into tiny pieces as we speak.
Ah!
Oh, don't worry, Chloe. That's why we're wearing these spiffy anti-digestive suits.
Nerb, what's this goop on my arm?
Oh, that's saliva. As soon as you take a bite of food, digestion begins. Saliva contains things called enzymes that start breaking down food immediately.
Looks like we're in the esophagus, a tube that runs from your mouth to
The stomach!
Ouch!
oh, happy day! Food! Now we can watch it be digested.
Lucky us.
Look at the food! Look at it! Right here in the stomach. Gastric juices are starting to break it down. It's amazing!
Gastric juices?
Yes, sirree. Gastric juice isn't like orange or grape juice. Your stomach secretes a mix of acid and enzymes that start digesting the food you eat. The stomach also churns the partially digested food, turning it into a lovely, liquidy mush. Then the food moves into the small intestine. Bye-bye, handsome.
Handsome. That combo of chewed up food and gastric juices was gross.
Well, then you're gross.
Excuse me?
Whoa, you've seen this combo of chewed up food and gastric juices erupt from your own body if you've ever thrown up.
Oh, I have seen that before.
Nerve vomit sparkles with all the colors of the rainbow.
I think it's time to move on to the small intestine.
Here we are. The first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum, and it's where liquefied food goes next. Duodenum, duodenum, duodenum. There are more digestive juices found here, like bile. Bile is made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder until your body needs it. Bile and enzymes from the pancreas break down the proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It's here that the body absorbs the vitamins and minerals from the food.
Whoa!
Welcome to the large intestine.
Hold on. If the small intestine does all of that, why do we even need a large intestine?
Oh, my dear Chloe, of course you need a large intestine. The large intestine has an important job: to absorb water and salt.
So, what's left?
At the end of the digestive process, anything that hasn't been absorbed is considered waste, which your body doesn't need. In other words, poop.
Nerve, what's that sound? Uh-oh.
Whoa! Whoa!
How am I going to tell my diary about this?
Just say, today me and my best buddy Nerve went on a journey through the digestive system, and we had the time of our lives.
Okay.
So today we learned all about the brain. We focused on its different functions and the different parts that make up the brain. We have the cerebrum, which has two sides. Scientists think the right side is the half that thinks about abstract things like music, colors, and shapes, and the left side is said to have it be more analytical, thinking about math and speech and logic. We have the cerebrum, then we have the cerebellum that helps keep you balanced, so when you fall over, you know who to blame it on. Our brain stem is what keeps us breathing. Things like our pituitary gland controls our growth, so as you get older, your pituitary gland controls that. Your hypothalamus controls your temperature. And those are the main parts that we wanted to talk about in our brain. So I hope you will join me tomorrow as we continue talking about the human body. And we have some interesting things coming up, so stay tuned.